Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C17 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI numbers basically on this device. So let's start with the quickest way, which will allow you to check the numbers, and then I'll show you maybe not that much, but basically longer way, which is still important also. So let's start with opening the dialer, and give all the permissions of course, and let's enter the secret code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK. And as I said, let me show you another way, which is longer, but still it will be useful if, for example, you will forget about the secret code. So let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's find this status option. Let's tap on it, and as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.